tire to replace is this size. Okay. Use the lever here. Okay. Let's try it. So first dissipate. So because the tire will dissipate air within 1 day, so they say it's caused by a very tiny hole. Is that Luma?
Is it going all right?
Yes. It's very lovely.
Excuse me. How do you
sure.
take it out? Okay.
Okay, so see these levers?
Yeah.
Generally, so you're trying to get under there.
Yeah.
You'll get this under here, hook it under,
Okay.
pull it over,
Put over.
and then you get your second one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Where should we put it?
The next one, so a little bit further down.
Oh,
Sort of just
not too further down, just a bit.
a little bit.
Okay.
And then you go like that, and then by that point,
Yeah.
you can just go like this,
Oh.
and sort of use it as a knife, and kind of like
Okay.
that. And that'll come off.
Oh, thanks a lot.
And you can go all the way around with
Yeah.
that one.
Thank you.
Oh, good. You got you.
Any help I
Any
just ask you?
questions? No worries.
Thanks, mate. Just use as a knife. Okay. It's out. And
Do you know how far away Mum was?
we take out this one. Okay. That's the tire. Sorry. Then we check any tiny,
Good afternoon, I'm Oscar Centre Prime Ben speaking.
any metal. Use the finger.
So the screw that goes into the headset. So you've got the cap, but you just need the bolt that screws in.
Then we check the other side.
I generally don't. They're normally what comes with our headsets. You could swing by if you've got one. If you've got the old one, and we can try and match it. There might be an old one floating around in our millions of bolts that we've got going around. But I wouldn't have one that I'd know that I could guarantee if you
Can't find it.
yeah.
This one.
Yeah, no, unfortunately not, man. Alright, man, good on you. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye. Sorry.
But I think it's the wrong one. Excuse me. Your colleague gave me maybe the tire is wrong, right? Because this one's much longer than that one.
It won't matter. That
Won't
doesn't-
matter.
No matter how long it is, short it is. It's
Okay.
generally, yeah, just a different brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it will work same.
It'll work same. Yeah, yeah.
No worries.
But with
Thanks.
this one,
Yeah.
you have to take this off first.
Yeah.
And then put it through, screw it back on.
No worries. Thank you.
Your gas is good.
He mentioned to put a bit pressure inside first, right?
No, you don't
Doesn't-
have to put any pressure.
Oh, don't have to. Okay.
No.
Okay.
So,
I think with the longer one, it will be difficult to stuck in. That's
so yeah, so you go half in, you find
Yeah.
a hole.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, there it is. Yep. So go to the top, and then you poke it in.
okay. Just
Yep. That's it, all the way in. That's
screw
it.
first, or
And then you just put the screw on.
yeah, that's here.
That's it. That'll just help it.
Okay.
Stay on straight as well.
Yep.
And then with this one, I usually kind of just feed my way around
Oh,
all the way through.
oh let me do it. Yeah, okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Like this.
that's it. Yeah. That's it. Then you can start squeezing it in.
Okay, use tool.
No tool, you can just use your hands.
Oh, use hand. Okay.
Yep.
The tool is only to get it out. Okay.
That's it. It's if it's a little bit hard at the end, you can use the tool just to sort of lever it in.
Okay.
But generally, you can just use your fingers to
Yeah.
push it in. Yeah.
I went to a time I don't know what we handled last year, so I hadn't done it all right, and I find it from YouTube.
Yeah, like this one.
That's it.
And then
Yeah,
put
rip
the 85 pressure.
Yep. Pump it
Okay.
up. Yeah, I'll pump it up for you.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, so you know how to use
Yeah.
these.
Yeah. Thanks.
Actually, those gloves. No, I'll get another done, but yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Beautiful.
Thanks a lot.
Have you got the little cap for it as well?
Yeah, that's the big one.
This one. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. You got that one? Yeah. Oh no, not that one.
No, this one.
This one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's it. Rip up. There you go.
Oh,
All
thanks a
done.
lot. Thank you.
Good, man. Enjoy.
Thank you. 把这个放进来。